North Korea decoders have chilling warning about Kim's nukes ahead of launch next week. Shock new analysis of North Korea's nuclear arsenal has thrown up a dire warning ahead of an expected launch next week. A team of US experts has taken apart Kim's missiles using photographs and video released by the secretive regime. The boffins have exposed previous successful test launches as fakes with explosive failures covered up by Kim Jong-un's propaganda machine. But recent footage proves the Hermit Kingdom can hit anywhere on the mainland US, including New York and Los Angeles, with a nuke. The bombshell news comes as the CIA warned Kim is set to fire a nuke or a missile on the 10th of October to mark the anniversary of the founding of the ruling Workers' Party of Korea. Jeffrey Lewis, of the Middlebury Institute's Center for Nonproliferation Studies in Monterey, California, said, "Everyone thinks they are a joke, like they are incompetent buffoons. They are not buffoons." Asked if North Korea could now hit continental America with a nuke, he said, "I can't believe this is even a question. Yes to New York and Los Angeles." Lewis and his team analyzed photos and videos of Kim's missiles to work out how far they can fly and what they could carry. They used the length of a transporter vehicle to work out Kim's Hwasong-12 was 16 meters long, the weld lines to determine what kind of fuel it uses, the crane carrying it to calculate its weight, and video footage of its launch to gauge its thrust. The researchers found the missile is light enough and powerful enough to carry a nuclear warhead to the US mainland. North Korea has carried out 2 successful test launches of the missile over Japan in August and September, suggesting it is now ready for attack. Donald Trump's administration has said it cannot accept a nuclear-armed North Korea and threatened to totally destroy the pariah state. But Lewis warned Kim already has nukes and will never give them up. He said, "We want them to give up their weapons, and I think that will probably be a very short conversation." North Korean defectors have issued the same stark warning. Lewis said a decapitation mission to remove Kim and his henchmen would also fail, as his generals would still be able to fire off nukes. And photos coming out of the north suggest the communist state would be able to hide rockets for surprise launches. They show the missiles being refueled horizontally, which would allow them to be prepared for launch in tunnels, protecting them from US bombers. Instead, Trump will have to accept North Korea as a nuclear power. Lewis said, "The door for military options is basically closed."